What's going on, everyone? I'm Andrew with Camper Kingdom in Meridian, Mississippi, and today we're going to be viewing this brand new 2022 Forest River Heritage Glen Model 370BL. So if you're in the market for a fifth wheel that needs to sleep upwards of 6, 7, maybe 8, and you realize that there are going to be times when you're going to have to go inside at the end of a long day, or even if it's raining, the mid-bunk floor plan is something to really consider. You're going to get the largest living area in a fifth wheel, having the bunkhouse in the center and still giving you the double slide in the back, giving you an enormous living room with tons of seating. But right now I've got all the slides closed in to show you what it looks like going down the road, as well as to tell some of my viewers that like to know, with all the slides closed in, can you still access the refrigerator as well as the restroom? Maybe you stopped at a rest station and you just want to gain access to the refrigerator for a cold drink, or maybe to make a sandwich, and you will have access to part of the refrigerator as well as your restroom. But we're going to start on the outside of the coach, going over the different weights, the specs, and dimensions before heading inside. So if you're new here, welcome to the channel. Hit that subscribe button down below and let's get started. Coming at you 42 feet, 7 inches in length, with 4 total slides, is this 2022 Forest River Heritage Glen Model 370BL. Not quite sure what the BL acronym stands for. A lot of models have simple numbers and letters to make it quite obvious, like BH for bunkhouse, but I'm not quite sure what the BL stands for on this one. But just to break it down for you, bedroom in the front, bedroom in the middle with only 1 bath. Nice big loft bed as well for the younger kids. 4 total slides with a dry weight of 11,954 pounds. And speaking of weight, hitch weight on this model of 2,275 pounds. Gross vehicle weight rating, how much could this camper possibly weigh fully loaded out, of 14,275 pounds. Resting on about a 96-inch wide construction, and it is leveled from a 6-point electric leveling system, and there's a shot of the front legs. A little bit of manual labor involved. You got to pull the plunger out first before pressing one of the 2 fully automatic leveling buttons. One on the outside, the second one is located inside. Coming around to the main side of the coach, nice big 16-foot awning, and there is white LED lights found underneath it, running the entire length of the awning from there all the way down. Nice big 5'11" entry door, 30 inches wide. Bigger grab handle, making it easier when you're on some of the the different terrains. Friction hinge entry door to assist on high wind days. Coming around, take a look at some of the storage on the model. They call this a Texas size, and there's a sneak peek of the outdoor griddle. I just have it stored right over here for now. Heated underbelly, heated holding tanks, 2 air conditioners, solar. This is the 30-amp charger controlling that 100-watt solar panel on the roof, and there's a shot of the battery disconnect switch. Slam baggage doors. These are about an inch and a half thick. Those are really nice. Outdoor TV connections found there, so you can possibly mount a really big TV on there. Just be prepared to take it down, of course, whenever you're getting ready to leave. Coming right back, this little bar here, that's where that griddle that I pointed to earlier, it's going to hang on the side of the model here, connecting to the propane down below. Outdoor refrigerator. You got the plumb sink, additional storage also, cool LED light, 110 outlet there. Coming around to the back, fully walkable roof. Rear mounted ladder with a 250-pound load capacity. Blindside camera prep, there's one. This coach does have the bumper, which is great for storing all your sewer lines and water lines. Just simply tucking them right up in there. You do have the 2-inch receiver on the back. This is not for pulling an additional trailer. The sticker there identifies only a 300 load capacity for maybe a bike rack or an additional luggage rack. Coming around, sewer connections on this model, you got 2 different ones. I'm gonna stop right here so you can get a good look at that one, and there's another one in front of the tire. Gray tank is 62 gallons, black tank is 30 gallons. And you have 57 gallons on fresh water. This coach is already pre-equipped for slide toppers. That's what that bracket is there over all the slides, so that makes it that much easier when getting those put on. Power connections in between the two slides. And there's the front right there. That's your other second sewer connections. I hope you guys can see it. Pull handles located here. 10-gallon gas or electric hot water heater. And this compartment here holds all of the water management for the coach. So the water lines will come up through the bottom, right through there, connect to the city water, or if you're filling your freshwater holding tank, black tank flush to clean out all your sewer. And another shot of your pass-through storage. 2 Coleman Mach 15K air conditioners, solar panel, heated holding tanks, fully enclosed underbelly, 4 total slides. Sleeping room again for 8, maybe 9. See if we can step inside, just make one long continuous video without having to stop. These steps do flip up and inside. Here's a shot of some of the stickers on the outside before heading in. And if somebody's always asking you, what is the model number on your camper? That's what that is right there. Heading right inside, 42 feet, 7 inches in length, with 4 slides and 2 opposing each other here in the living room. Theater seats with cup holders. And these are going to be blackout shades. You have the valance on both sides of the window. Reflective back on these shades too. The back side of the shades is a high white, which definitely does help assist with reflecting some of the heat out. Take a look at the freestanding table with 2 chairs and this pretty cool little bench. That's really nice. Move around this way here. A little bit of carpet. The slide is going to have some carpet as well as the master bedroom. Sleeper sofa on the back. I'll pull this out closer towards the end to give you guys an idea of how much sleep room you'll have. Additional storage up above. Ceiling fan. Here, just going to give you some accent light over the slides. It's really hard to see at the moment, but there is additional lighting above the slide out. You can see this one a little bit better. Take a look at the light fixtures on the ceiling. Really nice. Island in the middle with a ton of, it's more storage here. And you also have a place for a trash can already there. Stainless steel drop-in sink with a pressed membrane countertop. High-rise faucet there. Sitting in the recliners, staring directly in front of you, so you're not looking off to the left or to the right. Nice big 50-inch TV above. Fireplace producing around 5,000 BTUs of heat. You can turn the heat off on that model there and just utilize the lights to maybe assist some of your guests. 14 cubic foot all electric refrigerator. This is the French style, so it's a little different. So refrigerator on the top, but they give you this little, I don't know, maybe a wine rack kind of shelf on the left. Freezer on the bottom with these pretty cool little organizing drawers. In relation to size, these are about 12 inches across by 12 inches deep. And these are maybe 5 to 6 inches. It's different. Tell me what you think of that. I'd prefer, honestly, more of the LG brand, the stainless steel ones. I think stainless steel will look pretty good inside here. What do you guys think? The pantry up here on the front wall, almost floor to ceiling. Let's open this up. Kind of a glass smoke tint accent to it. 2 shelves there. More shelving down there. Maybe just a good little all-around pantry. Both of the thermostats for the 2 air conditioners are found here before heading into the staircase there. One for the bedroom, one for the main air down here in the bottom. All the controls for your slide operations, tank operations, here in the hallway again, light operations, and this is the second set of controls, the 6-point leveling system. So I mentioned in the beginning, if you're looking for a floor plan where you need more seating, because you're going to have to come in as a family, this is what I'm talking about. You've got 1, 2, plus a sleeper sofa I'm on. And yeah, I understand it. Sitting at the table is not the most comfortable thing, but most bunkhouse models, you're not going to get nearly half of this. You're limited. Like the Avalanche 390, if you've ever seen the video on that one, there's only 2 seats in the whole entire thing, but everyone loves that camper just because of the sleeping room. But think about it, when you got to come inside, you need a place to sit. Let's head up this way and check out some of the bedrooms. So found here on the left, right next to the entrance, and check this out. This is what I really like. You don't have to use this as a bedroom. Maybe it's just a place for your dogs. Use it as an office. I mean, it's all kinds of different arrangements you can set this mid-bunk floor plan into. So that's a Versa Queen right here. Dimensions when that thing's laid completely out is 60 by 70, so just the same size as a real queen size bed. Flip up twin size bed on the top. You can move that up out of the way and just use this as a seating area. Additional storage, hanging closets and pull out drawers here. And you do as well have TV connections. Not going to be a very big TV, maybe a 32-inch there. Here's a good shot of your hanging closet there. But again, I'll let all this out closer towards the end, showing you how much move-about space you'll have. But just think of the, the possibilities with this. Remove that, set your dog crates up in there. I've got some customers all the time that mention, I'm looking for something for room for my dog crate or an office. I'm working on the road. Loft bed above, and that's honestly the size of a queen size bed as well. You do have additional storage down there, and you can't see it, but around the curb there is a 110 outlet. You do have the roller shade there. But if you don't, once again, if you're using this maybe as an office, you can pull this teddy bear mattress out, and it's already trimmed with carpet. You can get some totes and just slide all of your stuff up here for storage. Cool little ladder getting you up there. See if I can get you guys flipped around. Come up into the main bedroom. So the dimensions on this bed here, this is a custom king size bed, 66 by 80. So yeah, talk about buying sheets. My wife would not be happy at all with me. But there's some good and bads to this. You do have a shelf on both sides of the bed, and there is room to remove that shelf and maybe upgrade this to a real residential king size bed, making it a little bit easier, for sheet buying purposes. And here's a good time to give you guys a sound quality test. 2 Coleman Mach 15K air conditioners. They're not whisper quiet, but they do a really great job. Additional storage at the bottom of the foot of the bed, and you could possibly mount about a 48-inch TV there. Seating, place for seating. That's not going to be storage. It does not open. Washer and dryer, so possibility for installing a stackable there, and you have a cool little place to hang your wardrobe. Shoe closet over there. I'll slide this over. Just all around not too bad, and full length mirror there for all the ladies. Coming into the bathroom, ceiling height inside of the coach of around 6'5", but you notice you're going to have the full radius, the ceilings above. So you do have a little bit of a step up to get into this 2-piece plastic shower, maybe 4 inches to get in there, but it is a flat pan. So once you're in there, you're going to have additional headroom. Medicine cabinet with some storage. Stainless steel bowl sink, that's really nice. And check out the cutout space, that's really great for an additional trash can. Porcelain foot flush toilet. So I've gone ahead and pulled down the blackout shades to show you that additional lighting over both of the slides, as well as the additional lighting underneath the kitchen island. In relation to size, the sleeper sofa found in the back of the coach is not quite as big as a queen size bed, but definitely bigger than the full. And just look at how much walkabout space you've got. If you're looking to move about the coach and you don't want to disturb anybody, it's definitely the way to go. In the bunk area, the sofa that was here lets out to a 60 by 70 queen size bed, and you still have plenty of room to roll out of bed without disturbing your partner. For pricing and availability, I'll leave a link in the description down below, but a date and time of making the video, MSRP of $83,071.94. If you have questions or comments about the camper, leave them in the description down below. Like, subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, it definitely does help. Come see us.